Hey, Lucius, what do we got happening, bud?
Stay right there, Corey. No, Corey, you're gonna let him free. I'm trying to get Taki over there.
Hey, guys, we need to refill all their waters. The goats and the chickies.
Okay.
Hey, Lucius. Hey. What do you think about these chickens? You're getting a little more comfortable, aren't you? It's okay, buddy. What you think about all these chickens there, bud? Yeah, Rooster, we know. We know it's you, buddy. Huh, now you showing off? Ooh, look at that. Colton got him an avocado. Hoo-hoo-hoo. Hey, Colton. We brought him a bunch of fruit today. Yeah, we got y'all a bunch of fruit. Yeah, guys. Hey, Lucius. Hey, buddy. You're a good boy. We got a crow off over here. Hey, Rooster, you gonna let that boy talk to you like that? Come on now. Speak up. What you got, man? There we go.
Colton! Look, there's chickens over here. There's a baby